Let me say something uncomfortable. Lust is not harmless. It's not just natural. Unchecked lust slowly destroys your focus, your discipline, your confidence, and eventually your identity. And the worst part, it does it quietly. No alarms, no warning signs, just gradual decline, more distraction, less control. More urges, less strength. If you don't remove lust from your life, it won't just waste your time. It will rewire your brain. Every time you give in instantly, you train your brain to chase easy dopamine. Real effort feels unbearable. That's when your discipline dies. This isn't about morality, it's about neurological damage. So how do you remove lust before it destroys you? Not by suppressing desire, not by hating yourself, but by retraining your system. Here's how. Step 1. Stop feeding the fire. Lust doesn't grow on its own. It feeds on exposure, social media, late-night scrolling, suggestive content, boredom. You cannot remove lust while constantly triggering it. Strong men don't rely on willpower. They control their inputs, unfollow triggers, stop scrolling in bed. Remove easy access to temptation. You're not weak for doing this. You're strategic, because you can't win a war you refuse to prepare for. Step 2. Fix your dopamine baseline. Lust becomes uncontrollable when your dopamine system is overstimulated. Fast entertainment, constant scrolling, instant gratification. Your brain adapts. Now it needs stronger stimulation. That's when urges become aggressive. Solution? Lower your dopamine baseline. Cold showers, hard workouts, deep focus work, reduced screen time. When your brain resets, urges lose intensity. You don't need superhuman discipline. You need a regulated nervous system. Step 3. Build discomfort tolerance. Lust wins when comfort is your priority. Your brain says, "This feels good. Do it now," and most men obey. So train yourself to endure discomfort daily. Wake up without snoozing. Finish hard tasks. Sit with boredom. Delay gratification. Each small win strengthens your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for self-control. Discipline is not about suppressing desire. It's about increasing your tolerance for discomfort. Step 4. Replace. Don't just remove. Here's where most men fail. They try to remove lust, but they don't replace it. Energy must move somewhere. If you don't redirect it, it returns stronger. Channel that energy into training, building skills, creating something meaningful, pursuing purpose. When your life has direction, lust loses importance, because purpose is stronger than pleasure. Here's the truth most men avoid. Lust doesn't destroy you overnight. It destroys your standards. And when your standards fall, everything else follows. But the moment you decide, "I don't live controlled by impulses," everything changes. You become calmer, sharper, more focused, more dangerous in discipline. Remove lust before it destroys you, because the man who controls his impulses controls his future. Start today, not when you feel ready, because by then, your brain may already be wired against you.